Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fly High with English. Let's learn daily sentences. तिथे जाणे जरूरी आहे का? Is it imperative to go there? Is it imperative to go there? तू कसा हारला? How did you lose? How did you lose? तुमच्याकडे काही स्वस्तातील आहे का? Do you have something less pricey? Do you have something less pricey? तो त्याच्या कर्माची फळे भोगतोय. He is suffering for his deeds. He is suffering for his deeds. यशला फोन कर. Make a call to यश. Make a call to यश. आपण टॅक्सी हायर करू. We will hire taxi. We will hire taxi. रामला पाठविण्याऐवजी श्यामला पाठवा. Send Shyam instead of sending Ram. Send Shyam instead of sending Ram. आम्ही तिकडे येण्याचा विचार करत आहोत. We are thinking of coming there. We are thinking of coming there. माझा दिवस खूप चांगला होता. My day was so good. My day was so good. गेलेले दिवस परत येत नाहीत. Gone are the days never come back. Gone are the days never come back. पुढच्या वेळी लक्षात ठेवीन. I'll take care next time. I'll take care next time. मी तर फक्त एक माणूस आहे. I'm simply a man. I'm simply a man. असं कधी करू नको. Never do so. Never do so. तुम्ही खूप लवकर आला आहात. You have come so early. You have come so early. ते येईपर्यंत वाट बघ. Wait until they come. Wait until they come. Like, share and subscribe.